Hanoi, a city of 1,000 years. Every street, every corner, whisper a story. And at its heart, Hoan Kiem Lake.
The lake of restored story
Seems to be a familiar face to many. But what if I told you that beneath this picturesque surface, and beyond the well-trodden path, lies a universe of secret, ancient tales, and forgotten histories that even long-time visitors rarely uncover? Hello everyone, I am Chung, and today, in Hanoi Hidden Stories, we won't be just strolling around Hoan Kiem Lake. No, we are going to peel back the layers of time, unearth things, the secret that even seasoned travelers might have missed. From ancient legends and intricate architectures to the tiniest, most overlooked details, every single one tell unique stories. Are you ready to dive deep with me? As we step through the temple gate, we encounter the symphony of pen towers and inkstone. These are more than just beautiful structures. Built in 1865 by the scholar Nguyễn Văn Siêu, the pen tower point is tipped toward the sky, symbolizing the highest academic aspiration, urging scholars to write on the blue sky. The inkstone represent scholarship itself. Together, they embody Vietnam's profound reverence for education and intellectual pursuit. It's cornerstone of our historical culture. Many visitors are captivated by the vibrant red of Huc Bridge, meaning the where the sun lies rest, a poetic name for a poetic place.
But few realized in this bridge, first built in the 19th century and rebuilt in 1952, carries far more than just striking colors. This red you see isn't just paint, it symbolizes life, prosperity, and joy in Vietnamese culture, a vibrant welcoming to the sacred island.
And the wood itself is often high-quality ironwood, chosen for its incredible durability, allowing it to withstand the test of time and countless generations of footsteps. And here, as we step deeper into this sanctuary, we uncover its spiritual heart. Ngoc Son Temple, in its present and most prominent form, beautifully synthesizes various beliefs, a testament to Vietnamese rich spiritual tapestry.
Many people see Ngoc Son Temple as a sacred place today, but few know that this very spot, this peaceful Jet Island, one housed magnificent royal palace called Khánh Phúc Palace during the Ney Dynasty. Under the Twin Lords, imagine the grand feast, poetry gatherings, and the sound of royal baggage on the lake long before it became a temple.
While its long history, like many ancient sites, has been of various purposes and figure worshipped, today is primarily honor three pivotal figures.
First, Trần Hưng Đạo, a revered national hero who led Vietnam to stunning victories against the mighty Mongol invaders in 13th centuries, a symbol of a nation in the medieval spirit. Next to him, we find Văn Sơn Đế Quân, the Taoist god of literature and examinations. This is particularly significant, as its presence here, alongside the pen towers and inkstone, profoundly underscore the paramount importance of scholarships and intellectual pursuit in Vietnamese culture, a value that has shaped our society for centuries. And finally, La To, or Lữ Đồng Tân, one of the 8 immortals of Taoism, representing wisdom and transcendence.
This harmonious coexistence of the martial might, literary brilliance, and spiritual enlightenment truly define the unique cultures and religious landscape of Vietnam. And here before us lie the preserved specimens of one of the legendary giant turtles that one of the inhabited in Hoan Kiem Lake. For centuries, this creature, a rare species known as Leloid Raphatus Sinhoe, was believed to be the golden turtle god from the legend of King Leloid, who helped him defeat the invaders and reclaim his magic sword. Its sighting was considered incredibly auspicious, a living symbol of divine intervention and national pride. The last known individuals in Hoan Kiem Lake passed away in 2016, making the end of era for many Hanoians. This specimen served as a poignant reminder of a living legend, a guardian spirit, and the deep connection between this lake and our national identity. A story of heritage, loss, and the enduring power of myth. Are you ready to join me on the next adventure, uncovering more of the Hanoi's hidden secret? What other story or places Hanoi would you love to explore? Let us know in the comment below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with the fellow explorers, and subscribe to our channel for more Hanoi hidden stories and deep dives into Vietnamese culture with Chung. See you next time.